Hey there, this is Steve Chase from Sequential Solutions. All right, today I want to talk to you about the 30 mistakes that people make when they set up their QBO account and what you should be looking for to avoid these three mistakes. So the first mistake is you connect to your bank feeds, and your bank feeds will by default just pull in the most recent transactions in a 90-day period. If you've been in business longer than 90 days, the mistake is that you're going to be missing transactions that have happened after those 90-day periods that you have the portion to go to. So that's mistake number one, relying on the bank feeds to get your financial data when you've been in business longer than 90 days. There are other ways to get that, and that's through either manually entering them, downloading it manually from your bank, or using special software to convert them to a QBO file. Mistake number two is uncategorized assets. When a payment is being made from the checking account to the credit card, business checking, credit card, QuickBooks Online bank feeds will sometimes force it to be uncategorized assets. And that is a mistake to put that. We want to not have that. We want to recognize it as a transfer, a business checking to transfers to the credit card. That's a mistake. Kind of as a sub-level topic of that, another mistake in the same along lines is not to do uncategorized asset, but to do it as an expense. Treating a credit card payment as an expense is also a big no-no. And that's because we'd want to recognize the expenses on the credit card per transactions that happen. And last mistake that many small business owners struggle with setting up a QBO file is that they don't ever take the time to process the month-end bank statement. Every month, your bank institution, your business check account is going to give you a financial statement with the beginning balance, ending balance. It's going to post all the checks that you wrote and were cleared, all the income that was deposited and came into your account, all the expenses that went out, fees, anything like that, interest expenses. You got to look at your bank statement. You got to tell QuickBooks to reconcile it, and you got to match what the bank has to what your QBO registers have. A lot of small business owners don't reconcile their bank accounts to their statements. And if that's the case, you really can't trust your financial reporting if you haven't taken the time to reconcile the statements. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Steve Chase here, Sequential Solutions, and those are what I've seen out there are the top three mistakes people make when setting up their QBO files.